Assalamualaikum, you're watching Chemistry with Awais Hakim, and in this video we are going to discuss electroplating of silver, and we are studying 9th chemistry chapter number 7. In the previous video we have discussed about the procedure of electroplating, and in that video we have discussed about that we need two electrodes. First will be cathode and second will be anode, and we will dip the cathode and anode in a solution of electrolyte, and that electrolyte will be the solution of salt of anode. Okay, in this case we are discussing electroplating of silver, and what are the requirements for electroplating of silver? There are these requirements for electroplating of silver. We need two electrodes. There are two electrodes. We need an electrolyte solution. There is an electrolyte solution. We need salt of anode. So first of all we have to understand that the solution that we are taking as an electrolyte will be the salt of that anode. What is anode? Anode is any substance, any piece of metal which is connected to positive terminal of the battery is called anode, because it will act as an anode and oxidation will take place at this. And these two, anode and cathode, are dipped solution which will be the electrolyte, and this electrolyte will be the salt of anode. Okay, so what metal would act as anode? So anode will be made by the metal which is to be electroplated. The metal we want to electroplate on some other substance will act as anode, and in this case we are discussing electroplating of silver, so the anode will be made of silver. Okay, and it will be dipped in salt of anode, and in this case the anode is silver, so it will be dipped in its salt, which is silver nitrate, and silver nitrate is a good electrolyte which can be ionized as follows: silver nitrate ionized in silver ion and nitrate ion. Okay, so we know that there are silver ions present here and also nitrate ions are present here, and we assume that if there are 10 silver nitrate molecules, there will be 10 silver ions and 10 nitrate ions. Okay, you got that point? Okay, what will be the cathode? Cathode will be the substance, will be the material which is connected to negative part of the battery, and we will make the cathode the substance we want to be electroplated. I need this substance to be electroplated by silver, so I will make cathode of this substance. Okay, so in this case I want to electroplate spoon, so the spoon will act as cathode and it will have negative charge on it. Okay, it have negative charge on it. Okay, so what will be happen in this reaction? What is the chemistry of this reaction? So we have an electrolytic cell which is connected to a battery, and when we turn off the switch, what will happen? So this is anode, and you know that oxidation takes place at anode. And what is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electron. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electron. When silver atom loses one electron, it will be converted into silver ion, and this silver ion will not be there. Electron will be there. But this silver ion will move toward this solution, and now you can say there was 10 silver ions. Previously there was 10 silver ions, but now one silver ion is added to that 10 silver ions, and now there are 11 silver ions and 10 nitrate ions. And you know that 10 negative charges are neutralized by 10 positive charges, but there is a net negative charge in this solution. You know that, positive charge. There is net positive charge in this solution. This electrolyte contains one positive charge, and this is for one silver ions. But we know that there are many hundreds of thousands of silver ions that are migrating from this cathode, this anode toward this solution, and there will be a net bulk of positive charges here. There are very much great number of silver ions there. If we assume that there are, we can say that 40 silver ions, net result is 40 silver ions. So there are 10 silver ions are neutralized with 10 nitrate ions, but there are more 30 silver ions. Where they will move? So you can say that there is net positive charge, and this positive charge will be attracted by this negative charge. And these silver ions are attracted toward this spoon, because spoon contains negative charge. Why spoon contains negative charge? Because spoon is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So it will contain negative charge and it will attract silver ion towards it. And when silver ions move toward the plate, because you know that positive and negative charge attract each other, and these positive charges will be attracted toward this negative charge, and when they will reach there at this spoon, they attract electron. They will get electron, and addition of electron is called reduction. You know, this silver ion will be converted into silver atom. This will be converted into silver atom. I'm writing solid, means they will be electroplated there, they will be deposited there, and soon the appearance of this spoon will be silvery. uh, I can show you two examples here. This was the spoon before it was electroplated, and now this is the spoon that is being electroplated by silver. So this, you can see that there is very much good appearance and good silver appearance, which act as a mirror. You can see on in your spoon, you can see your own image, because it is very much good electroplated by silver. So this are all the process of electroplating of silvers. I want to summarize it as follows. Electroplating of silver is carried out in an electrolytic cell, and electrolytic cell consists of two electrodes dipped in solution, which is called electrolyte, and this solution will be the salt of anode. No matter what anode you are taking there, if there will be copper, then the electrolyte will be copper sulfate. If there will be gold, then electrolyte will be gold nitrate or gold sulfate or gold chloride. So we will take the we have what I would discuss, water. So silver nitrate is solvent in water, and its solution will be taken by dissolving in water. Okay, this is very much simple. Okay, if you have, I think everything is clear in this topic. If you have any question, you can comment me below. You can like this video and share this video with your friend, and you can subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.